Hey guys! Welcome back to the channel. I look crazy, but I have reason to look crazy. Today's video is me trying to do victory rolls, and it's something that I've been wanting to try for a while. Back in my early 20s, I had a slight moment where I was doing the whole rockabilly thing. I just never did the hair because it seemed so intimidating, and back then YouTube wasn't as big as it was, it wasn't like, oh well, let me look it up on YouTube, so I just recently bought a new rockabilly style dress, or pin-up dress, whatever you want to call it, and I've been watching some videos, and so I want to try it. So I have my well, it's called flat iron, but it's, got my heat protector, I got my curling iron, I got hairspray, I got comb, I got teaser, and I got bobby pins. Now, I've been watching several videos, and it seems like everybody has like their own technique. I've seen people that like tease it really, like just tease it and then just mold it and hairspray it and they're done. I've seen people that just hairspray it, and I've seen people that just pin it. So I'm gonna try to do a combination of all that. I've already curled the bottom of my hair, and I'm not gonna curl it and then pin it and then release it, like, no. And I already did my makeup. But without further ado, let's get into this video. Hair stuff for me has always been super intimidating. I'm not sure why. I think it has to do like with my mom. My mom really didn't do a lot of hair stuff. My mom always had a perm, so you really don't do a whole lot with your hair when you have a perm, so I think that's why. Okay. So what I saw in one video where the girl kind of angled it a little bit, but what she did is got some more hair from over here to kind of make it equal. Oh my god, this is going to look like a hot mess. I just know it. I just know it. Oh my god. Okay. Put this behind my ear. I don't know what I'm doing. Ah, no! My hair is super frizzy. Okay, one video said you have your hair already up like, why do I keep turning? Oh my god, this is gonna be a disaster. I already know it. Oh my god. Ow. Ow. Dang, that hurts. I am okay. There it goes. Damn it. Oh god. Can we just... Okay, I'm just gonna have to move it. Oh. Let's push that together. See, this does not look good. I wonder if it just doesn't look good because my hair is so damn frizzy. Ugh. Oh, I hate hairspray. Oh my god, it stayed up. It looks like a freaking hot mess though. I mean, oh my god. That is not cute. I wonder if I should try it without frizzing it. I feel like I have to frizz it. Okay, how about I just do the back a little bit? Noki! I can't see what I'm doing. Okay, I need to redo this one. I feel like I look like a devil. Why is this not looking right? I feel like they need to come closer together. We need to come together right now. Over me. No. Why is this done? Okay, that looks better. I mean, it's not its best, but you know, with my set of skills, that looks cute. Yeah, I'm doing all this, and by the time I get into what I'm gonna wear, yeah, it's all gonna look so much different. Don't know if I want to try and fix this here. I don't know how I can fix it from the back. I don't know. Maybe. I can just see somebody who does this all the time and be like, oh honey, no. But yeah, ow! For what it's worth, I kind of like it. It looks a little weird. I think I need to get some volume up in here. But yeah, like I said, I'm not the best hair person, but I'm gonna try to get into my outfit now, and I'll try to insert some pictures because I really don't want to model today. But yeah, let me know what you think. Do you think I did the victory rolls good? Oh, let's do a little bit of close-up here. So you do, it's like it looks like I have a horns, but it'll be fine. It's just for a fun night anyway, so yay. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you next time.